In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a breakpoint in Elementor. Elementor is an amazing tool for creating dynamic, responsive websites. If you want your website to look perfect across all devices, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or desktop, understanding breakpoints is essential. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can customize them to suit your design needs. First, open up your Elementor page by navigating to the WordPress dashboard. From there, hover over Pages and click on All Pages. Find the page you wish to edit and hit the Edit with Elementor button. This action will take you to the Elementor editor where the magic happens. It's an intuitive space where you can design your pages by simply dragging and dropping elements. Now that you're in the editor, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon resembling a monitor, which is the responsive mode button. Click on this icon to enter the responsive mode. This feature is crucial because it shows you how your design appears across different devices. The common breakpoints available here are desktop, tablet, and mobile. By default, these breakpoints are designed to cover most devices. However, sometimes you may want to add a custom breakpoint to focus on a specific device or screen size. For instance, if you notice your layout doesn't look right on a certain tablet size, a custom breakpoint can resolve this issue. Now, let's set up a custom breakpoint. First, click on the hamburger menu, which is the three horizontal lines at the top left of the Elementor panel. From here, select Site Settings. Within the Site Settings, look for the Layout option and click it. Here, you'll find a section labeled Breakpoints. It is in this section where you define and customize your breakpoints. Add a new breakpoint by clicking on the Add button. You will be prompted to name your new breakpoint. Choose something that makes sense, like iPad Pro or Small Mobile. Then, set the specific pixel width that accommodates your target device. Remember, the lower the pixel count, the smaller the screen size reference will be for that breakpoint. Once satisfied with your settings, hit the Update button to save the changes. After setting up your custom breakpoint, use the responsive mode button again to view your design with your new settings. This will allow you to make adjustments to the elements for optimal display on your specified screen size. You can now tweak fonts, padding, margins, and even visibility depending on the requirements of the specific breakpoint, ensuring complete control over your website's appearance at various widths. And there you have it, a seamless process to add a breakpoint in Elementor. By customizing breakpoints, you ensure that your website maintains its visual integrity and user-friendliness across various devices. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial proves helpful in your web design journey. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.